Hi guys, from today I give myself a challenge to solve everyday 20 sequel question and I will follow this up to 210 days. So I am working this hospital database as you can see, and in hospital database I have four tables. One is appointment, second is billing, third is doctors, and fourth one is patients. And this is the data, and in every table I have 15 rows, and in table structure I have 50 plus rows, you can see. So in everywhere the same things happen. So in doctors there are 15 plus, in table there are 15 plus row, and in table structure there is 50 plus row billing. And this is I solve every day 20 plus sequel question, and this is the day one, and I have this 20 question. Let's solve this with myself, and every day I will follow on YouTube how I solve this query with logic. So let's start with myself. So this is the first question: display all columns from the patient tables. It's so much easy. So I have to do select into from and patients table, patients, patients, and column. I get the result. Now just give me. Now second question is show only first name, last name, and city of all patients. For this, I have to write this query select and patients table. So it's better that I can see all column name. It's better to avoid mistakes. So what do we have to do? First name, last name, and city from patients. Patients. Patie. Oh my God, what? I don't know what missed. Oh, okay. Just say. Hmm. Now it's okay. Now third question is, I know this is too basic question for all of you, but from today I have started to learn SQL. So mm, for me this is a I just want to create a routine that every day I can solve SQL question. I just make a routine, and you can found that my communication skill is not that much good, but I am also working on that day by day. If you are my regular viewers, then after 21 days you will can understand I will improve my communication skill as well as my SQL skill. So my third question is list all doctors with their specialization and consultation fees. So I have to go in doctors database, then I can see all column name, and it's helpful for me to avoid mistake. Now my fourth, I think this is fourth question. So now my next question is display all patients who are active. So what this is, just go to patients table and is active is 01, display all patients who are active. So here we have to use where clause. I can copy this, but it's too much. Just a second. I can just copy this now. Control C. Just a second. For more space, I just want to hide this, and Control V. from PATIENTS, patient stable, where is active is equals to 1. If you want, you can just remove this because of this is unnecessary. We just want to know patient's name, so this is unnecessary. If you want, you can hide it. Next question is, so all doctors who are currently available. So go to doctors column. Hmm. I think here most of the doctors are available because of one is indicated that the doctor is available and zero is indicates that doctor is not available. And here most of the doctors are one on their table structure. I think so. Most of the doctors are available. So let's write the query. Okay, okay, okay. So here what is the output we get? Here we get those doctors' names who are available right now. Now next question is, find patients who belong to the city Delhi. Same, I just copy paste it and I will rectify what according to the question. Just- I take this challenge. I give this challenge to myself to root, build a routine that I can solve every 20 question. Otherwise, it I take this challenge because it gives my mind that you have to do. Otherwise, I cannot concentrate myself. So that's why I take this challenge. Let's see how many days I can continue this. Display doctors whose experience is more than 10 years. I think here most of the questions I get from doctor's table and patient's table. Then next question, just a second. List patients whose blood group is O plus. I do not, to be honest, I do not have any interest to make content. I just make this. Tomorrow, sorry, yesterday I saw a reel on Instagram where Sandeep Maheshwari say, just build a routine. Just you have a phone on you, just record yourself and just post it. No one can see. And he also said, I cannot guarantee you that you have gained a lot of followers, but I gain you improved a lot. So I also take this challenge to see if I improve or not. So on YouTube, I just post it every day. So from this, I just take this initiative. So let's see if I success or not. Mhm. Then next question, find patients whose email is null. Found patients whose email is null. Just a second, I just have to check the table structure. So the next question is find patients whose email is null. So what we have to do, just write select first name, last name, and email. And email from PATIN patients where email is supposed to null. Zero rows written, but just a second. Patients. Okay, means everyone has email, so that's why we don't get any output here. So next question is display patients whose weight is between 50 and 70 kg. Select. Actually, I'm tired by writing first name and last name. First name, last name. I know that here in this question they don't want add this column weight column, but I add this for my checking purpose. Okay. So if you want, you can hide it from ATIN test patients where weight between 40 and 70. Just, oh, sorry. You can see that we get from 50 to 70, and if you want to show the data more clarify, then you can also use order by weight kg descending order. It gives the data more beautiful way. Then next question is list doctors who are from Delhi or Mumbai. Here I am just using first name because I'm tired by writing first name and last name. First name and city. Just go there and there is, I think, city. So next, from doctors, where city, where city is equals to Delhi or city is equals to Mumbai. Here, if you want, Here, if you want, you can also use in operator. By for the first question, I am using or, so that's why I am using or operator. But if you want, and if you want to add three, five more condition, then you can use in operator. In is more usable in real world project. I'm just saying again, no one is from Mumbai. Oh my God, how it's happened? Yes, here no one is from Mumbai, so we get correct output. Then next question is, I know I'm shooting on my room, so that's why you get some noises. Just ignore it. Show patient registers after 2023. One minute. Select first name from the patients where registration date is equals to. Shall we use colon or not? I'm just using colon, and if we get any wrong, then I just remove it. Only Rahul, and I just want to see the date also for my checking purpose. Oh, after, sorry, that's why I get who are joining from 15 January. So we just need those doctor name whose patients are joined before, after. Oh, afterwards. Okay. Uh, 15 January, who are joining, whose patient joined after 15 January, we need those patients name. Here, I just want to repeat that my communication skills are not that much good. I am working on it. So you find some difficulty to understand my language. I am also working on it. After 21 days, you will find a lot of improvement on my communication skill. I promise you. Find doctors whose rating is 4.5 or above. Where ratings greater than or is equals to 4.5. Then next question is display patients who have any chronic disease. I don't know what is the meaning of chronic disease. So let's go to patient's name. Just a second. Disease. Chronic disease. Do you know what is the meaning of chronic disease? Okay. Listen, why here I use is not null. If I go to the patient's table, that you can see that chronic disease, some of patients have chronic disease like diabetes, BP, and some of patients have chronic disease null value. So that's why I have using here is not null. If the value is not null, then we get the output, and if the value is null, then SQL just with this patient's name. So that's why I am using is not null. So let's see. And for checking purpose, I am also adding chronic disease here, that I can check it if my query is right or not. Oh my. Hi, here you can see we get all the value which patient have chronic disease we are here, and which patient have not chronic disease, SQL just hide it. So my query is right. Then list of 5 highest paid doctors. Here I am also adding salary, then for my checking purpose, salary from doctors where salary. No, we just want top 5 highest paid doctor, no? So order by here we have to use order by. So that's why we can get top salary in descending order. So if I use order, then we get salary by descending order, means highest to lowest, and then we have to use limit 5. Oh my god, how many questions do we have? Oh, only 4 questions. Show youngest 5 patient based on date of birth. Okay. I'm come back by solving this question. Guys, here I solved 20 SQL question for today, and my video is up to this. Thanks for watching.